Happy fall, everybody. It's Birdie from Positive Bluebird. You're going to hear my dog crunching his food in the background. Say hi, Yorgie. So that's the noise you're going to hear in the background. Okay, so anyway, this is a black faux leather purse that I bought a while back at Kmart. And I hot glued these two flowers on the front. And then I made this mason jar with lights. I made this last week. And all I did was I emptied out an old spaghetti jar, cleaned it really good, dried it really good, and then added these pom-poms that my son had given me and some colored feathers. And then stuck those two fake candles on the inside and decorated it with the decoration tape that my son had bought me, a ribbon on the outside, and then tucked underneath the lid is pipe cleaner. And I'll show you what it looks like in the dark. And there you have it. And then earlier this afternoon, when my son got off his work shift, he went across the street to get my coffee creamer. Sorry, I'm stuttering, guys. And bought me this lavender hat and baby blue shimmery socks. Woolly socks for around the house. That was really sweet of him, wasn't it? Okay, so up here what I did was I tacked this gold trim lace up at the top of the blanket that's been on my wall for a while. Boy, my dog is really hungry. And then those are just some dried flowers that my son had gotten me, maybe 4 months ago. And then in case you guys didn't see this backing over here is from Dollar Tree. It came on a spool. They come in different colors. Sorry, my dog is really crunching down on his food. It's kind of making me laugh. Hi, are you hungry? Does anybody else have a dog that takes the food out of the bowl to eat it? Hi. He's hungry.